So this is my latest SVG that I have on my website available, and I'm just going to do a short tutorial on how to put it together. It actually turned out really good. For any dinosaur lovers, they will love this. Great, happy birthday. Now if you'd like to grab this SVG, I'll put a code on the screen right now that you can use to get 50% off. So you can grab that. I'll leave it in the description as well. I have lots of cards available on my website. If you want to head over there, the link is in the description below as well. I also have a newsletter that I put out monthly that I give away a free SVG. So if you haven't signed up for that yet, please do, and you won't miss out on your free SVG every month. All right, let's put this card together. Okay, so this card has quite a lot of layers. Let's put them out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, which does make for a fairly thick card. And if you wanted, you could actually make it into like a 3D shadow box or something similar to that, and put some foam tape in the middle of it so that it would give it a bit of dimension. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick these layers together. So it will be a little bit thick, but we'll still make a great birthday card. All right, let's pop them together. We're going to start from the bottom and work our way up. So the glue I like to use is this one. It just dries clear, and I usually just pop it into my little container with the small nozzle so that I get a bit of precision with my gluing. All right, let's do that. The next layer goes there. So just glue that one on too. Now with this layer, I am going to just use some foam squares. I just want to give this a bit of dimension and make the dinosaur stand out a bit. Line this one up. There we go. Stands out a bit there. And we'll just add the grass on top. Now with the letters, I am just going to glue around the frame and not the letters because they do hover out a little bit. If you wanted, then you could actually put some foam tape underneath that layer to make that stand up a bit, but I'm just going to glue the edges. go. Got a nice 3D top to our card. We'll just stick it to the card and it will be all finished. Now I've just got a piece of card that is the right size that I'm just folding and I'm going to use as a card. But if you don't have one of these, then with the SVG you will find a template for the card as well as a template for an envelope, which will fit perfectly. Okay, so we're just going to take the top and just glue it onto our card. And there we go. Happy birthday to the dinosaur lover. Looks great. Will make a great little keepsake. Let me know what you think in the comments. Happy crafting!